Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am here with a video all about Printify. But before we get into that, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time that I release a new video. Today I am going to show you guys how I create a t-shirt design in Canva, upload it to Printify, and how to publish it to that dashboard. Also, I'm going to show you two different ways that you can access the website Printify. I am a Printify affiliate. If you've never heard of this site before or you just coming upon this video, make sure you check the description box for my Printify affiliate link down below. We're going to go ahead and get into the video. I'm going to go right on over to Canva, where I have my template up, and I am using a 3000 by 3600. All websites are different because I'm pretty much used to using Printify. I kind of know some of the sizes. Any other time I normally use a 5000 by 5000, but as you go through the website and you choose different products, you will realize that some products have different sizes that they recommend for you. I have pulled up some of my designs that I've uploaded before. I need a new shirt that just says coins on it. This is one of my popular signature shirt designs for my business. I need a new shirt that has these words on there. I'm going to use this design. I'm going to go ahead and put the words up here. I'm going to name my file, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit download, and I'm going to do it as a transparent background. Now note, I am using Canva Pro, so if you do not have Canva Pro, you may have issues with downloading products with a transparent background. Canva is $12.95 a month, okay? It's not too expensive, and it's pretty much worth it. I got my design downloaded, and I'm going to go over here to the Printify dashboard. This is the Printify website where you see everything. It says create and sell custom products. They have a catalog that tell you how it works, pricing, blog, and help center. Let me see. I think okay, so here, this is what I want to show you guys. You can integrate Printify with eBay, Wix, Etsy, Shopify. You can do the API thing as well. They have quite a few websites that you could integrate with. What I am going to show you guys also is how I access Printify from my Shopify store. But first, I'm going to go ahead and log into my Printify dashboard. I'm just going to go ahead and put my email in here and sign in. And you'll notice when I sign in here and when I sign in on Shopify, the dashboard looks exactly the same, okay? So here's the Printify website dashboard, and I've already logged into my Shopify account. But if you have never set up like an integration with Shopify, I'm going to show you quickly how to do it. You'll log into your Shopify dashboard, you'll hit the apps, and then you'll go shop for apps. Because I already have it downloaded, I don't need to shop for apps. But what you will need to do is go to shop for apps, search the word Printify, Printify, and it'll help you walk through the integration process, okay? And then you can set up the account that way. But I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to go ahead and click Printify, and you'll see that the dashboard is basically the same thing. It has my business name over here, and it says the same exact thing. So you're not missing anything by using it on the website dashboard or in your actual Shopify or your website. So here is my Printify dashboard. Today I'm going to upload on the actual website so you can get the full gist of what the website brings. Here I'm going to go down to the catalog, and I'm going to choose t-shirts. But I just want you to know that they do have things like they show you the best sellers, they show you the new arrivals and things like that. They also have lots of different print providers, but we'll get into that once we pick what product we want to do. So most likely I'll be doing a t-shirt. I'm going to go to catalog. I'm going to under women's clothing. I'm going to go to t-shirts. So here, what happens is they have filters where you can go by t-shirt colors, sizes, print areas, fulfillment, print type, and brands and print providers. Say you want to print all over, or you want to print on the neck or the sleeve, or right. If you choose one of these things, it kind of just filters out. Let's see if I print in all over, and it just basically populates all of the shirts that I can do all over print with, okay? That is a little tip for anyone who may be looking for a certain type. Here it addresses the best sellers, which is of course the Gildan or Glidden, however you guys want to say it. Vela Canvas 3001, and then another Glidden 5000 heavy cotton tee. Let me see. I'm trying to figure out what shirt I'm gonna use. Oh, a boyfriend tee. So let's try this boyfriend tee out. And let's just talk about what is all mentioned right here. First, it tells you the title of the type of shirt. It tells you who's the shirt brand. It says it's Next Level 3900. It tells you the price. So it's from $9.98 USD. And if you are signed up with Printify Premium, your price drops down to $7.59. It lets you know off the bat that it has 7 different sizes, and there's 8 print providers who are available to print this shirt. Now listen, the print providers all have a different range of price, and we will see that. I'm going to click on this woman's boyfriend tee. All right, so again, information about the tee, 100% comb ring spun cotton. Also, a little tidbit, it tells you it's a tearaway label. People sometimes does not love the scratchy labels on their neck. And it tells you it runs smaller than usual. That lets me know that when I place my order, I might have to go up a size because it runs smaller. This is the interesting part. You have all the print providers. Right now, it is sorted by the Printify ranking. You can also do by production time, lowest price, highest price, lowest shipping, highest shipping. Again, they have lots of filters for you to be able to find what you need, okay? So I am used to using Monster Digital. I've used Dream Junction before, and I think there's another one, My Locker. I've used My Locker before. But note that all of these have different colors. So Jams has 8 colors. My Locker has 20 colors. Stoked on Printing has 7. Dry Fulfillment has this. So all of them have different amount of colors, and some of them have different amount of sizes. Today I'm probably going to go with Monster Digital, but before we click that, I want to click the more detail button. This just gives you an even more in-depth look at what they have. Tell you about the stock, the prices, the colors, shipping, also production. So it tells you also shipping from Canada and then the rest of the world. Production information, what type of products they use, technology and the inks, quality control, packaging control. All of these things are listed under more details so that you can kind of know what you're getting yourself into. And each one of these print providers provide those informations like that. So it's never one of those things where you say, oh, I didn't know, well, they print it like this. Well, if you hit more details, you'll always know kind of what you're getting yourself into. Not saying that's a bad thing, but to be more educated on the type of processes these print providers use and the quality of the product and the product machines that they use to get your products to you. Oh, real quick, let me go back. It says add design. You guys probably want to know, well, where did you get that measurement from? So here's the shirt. And then here it tells you JPG and PNG files are supported. It tells you about the recommended size, which is 3,000 by 36,000. So that's what I have, and I have a PNG. I'm going to pull this from my device in my downloads. Here, I'm going to pull that design in, and you'll see it come up on my screen. So to me, that looks really good. Also over here on the side, you can see the different colors. They have a natural color. They have like a navy, a solid royal. What else? A red, a burgundy. So let's see what it looks like. And then we hit preview. Whatever your marker is kind of on, that's the color shirt that it will preview on. So say if I go back and I hit the royal and then I hit preview, that's what it'll give me a preview of the royal. Now say I had something on the back, it would show me the actual back of that. If I go back and edit and I wanted to add something on the back of the shirt, I would do that right here and basically add a layer. So if I wanted to do something on the back, I would add that there. Now I have 5 colors selected, and now I'm going to hit save product. So now we've saved our product and now we're back at our dashboard and you see that we have the product here. It is not published yet. So what we want to do is we want to go to edit listing. This is where we'll change the name, we'll change other information about the product all before we publish it. So we can select what image we want. Say we want the solid natural color or we want the white. It's available there. Now I'm going to go down to the description and I'm just going to change this to Coins Boyfriend Tee. You can go ahead and put in your description for your product. You can add the size table. You can add information about the tags. So I can put signature logo. I can put my whole business name. Okay. Make sure you do have your keywords for your brand. So you can put those in as well. Got the table. All right. And now we come to the variance, right? Here you see it says it costs $10.40. We know it's about $4 for shipping. Retail price is at $17.33 and you'll profit $6. Now, if you want to change this and then change all of them at the same time, make sure you hit select all. And then you're going to edit the profit margin. I'm going to go somewhere between, let's try 50 first. Let's see what that brings us to. 50 brings the shirts to $20 and I'll profit about $10.40. That's not bad. I think I'm pretty much going to leave that right there. So I'm checking everything else. Here it says publish product to your Shopify store. Now this might look different for everyone depending on where you have integrated with. Also, I can choose one of my collections. So I'm going to choose the coin collection just for obvious reasons. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. While that does its thing, it's going to publish it to my store. And then we'll be able to actually look at the shirt inside my Shopify store once we're done. That's another great thing about it. You can see what is happening each step of the way when you use Printify. Everything seems to be very self-explanatory and easy to understand. And I hope that you see that as I go through this video, that things are pretty much, easy to understand. We're going to go ahead and click See in Store. And what we have is the Coins Boyfriend Tee. And we have the colors, we have the shirts, we have the sizes, we have everything that we put in the size table as well. And we are basically done. We've published our Printify shirt to our store. I'm probably going to get a sample of this and do an unboxing for you guys. I'll probably order a few more different products from Printify as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me creating a t-shirt and publishing it to Printify. I hope you use the website. I love it. The customer service is always great as well. And don't forget, click the Printify link in the description box so you can sign up for Printify as well. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.